where fingertips dance with technology. Amidst the billions of daily global interactions, we transform every touch into a symphony of code and consciousness. At 26.8 degree and 114.9 degree E, a factory where innovation meets craftsmanship answers this challenge. Spanning 45 acres, 30,000 square meters of smart manufacturing space, MSD redefines global displays through a vertically integrated industrial ecosystem, illuminating the world with China's green technology. MSD writes the code of revolution with self-developed mastery. Glass cover processing, large panel cutting, modular R&D, backlight production, full lamination, farming, end-to-end mastery. Every screen bears MSD's technological DNA. Covercraft, laser cutting carves flawless edges. CNC engraving polishes curves to perfection, banishing imperfections, preserving visual purity. Panel precision guided by laser rulers, we define boundaries with zero tolerance for burrs. Each incision pledges micrometer-level discipline. Pixel artistry and the micro world of LCD cutting. Laser-etched grooves choreograph perfect pixel arrays. Curved edges obey ergonomic intuition. Backlight brilliance, precision adhesive paths, and AOI full area scanning replace human judgment, ensuring uniform light distribution. Modular mastery, robotic arms synchronize assembly, soldering and testing. Only when the pass signal sounds does its screen earn its voice. Fusion science, nanoscale OCA film alignment, laser-guided component marriage and high-pressure bonding forge unbreakable unity. Frame integrity, hybrid inspection, robotic blue dots meet human security, safeguards final quality before screens meet the world. In 40,000 square meters of smart space, machines play symphonies composed by data measured in millimeters. The MSD difference, 8 core patterns forged by hundreds of engineers. 100% in-house mastery, no outsourcing, just the answers. 1000 drop durability meets 100% CGB accuracy. Physics and optics pushed to extremes to earn our clients' trust. Daily, tens of thousands of screens depart from here, embedding themselves into industrial applications and everyday life scenarios across domestic and international markets. From Jiangxi Jian's intelligent manufacturing prowess to Dongguan's global trade gateway, Chinese precision is redefining the course of world-class displays.